welcome back to the vlog, you guys. Happy Tuesday. I just got ready because I'm gonna go do some work at a coffee shop, but I was getting my stuff together and I got a text message from Yasmin and she's like, I left you a bag outside your gate. And I'm like, why didn't you tell me you were outside? She's like, because I thought you were sleeping. I'm like, this is the one day that I woke up early and we missed them. But anyway, she brought us back, or they brought us back. Can you guys see? Conchas from Mexico, you guys. El panecito para la dieta. So we got some conchas here. I thought that was so sweet of them. Can't wait to have some. But I am gonna get my stuff together right now. I've been cleaning the house. I got up like at 7:45 because I wanted to organize because there's so much like PR and boxes and returns I need to do. There's a lot. So I'm like, let me just get up early, do some of that. And then last night I had decided that I was gonna go work out of a coffee shop today because it's something I've been wanting to do. It's so bright though. I'm gonna wash my Stanley.
Have you seen our keys?
Yeah, there. The car keys or the house keys?
Both.
The house keys are right there. The car key is in my bag.
I'll put that.
Oh, okay, thank you. I'm on a mission to get this house together. I keep this rolling rack here in the kitchen area, and it's obviously it helps because I get to see all the new stuff. Like, okay, I need to wear this versus putting it in my closet and then I forget I have it. But it just makes the space look messy, so it's going back into the studio. A container where we keep furniture that I love, that I don't want to get rid of, but that doesn't necessarily go or fit in the house, because eventually we do want to buy another house and have it be like a vacation home, so we're kind of collecting stuff. And then we have shit that probably, like holiday decor, all
yeah,
that
we have all of our holiday stuff.
It's pretty much our garage.
I love our container. It's a 40-foot container. We painted it black matte. It looks pretty sick. Been wanting to insulate it, but for some reason we can never empty. We just keep on adding shit to it.
We got rid of a lot though.
We did. That's where a lot of the stuff for Allery went in. Yeah. The furniture that we had in the office, and then we had other properties that we were renting out. So a lot of the times whenever there's shelves or closets, and it just goes in there. Yeah. It goes in there,
So we have a ton of stuff in there, but we're gonna go leave some stuff.
And I'm trying to do it right now, like, because I sweat a lot when it's so damn hot, and in there it gets really hot, but it's not as hot.
Right now today. It's probably like 79.
Yeah.
So it's a good time to do it. There she is in all her glory. Oh wow, so much room. There's so much more stuff I can put in here.
Stay.
Okay, I need to see what we have. What is this? Wow, there's a lot of...
Leave the box right there so that you could help him. And then I'll grab that table soon.
Just got back home from the coffee shop. You guys, my laptop died. I couldn't plug in my headphones to the computer, like the Bluetooth wasn't connecting, so it was just a mess. But I still got to enjoy my matcha. I still got to, luckily I was able to finish a lot of like emails and things like that on my laptop before it died. And then the rest of the work, I ended up finishing it on my phone, and then I just came home. But there was that really cute furniture store that I found. So I did see some nightstands that I really liked, and then there's an area that I'm gonna measure for a table to see if it fits. They had so many cute things, like so many cute things. Nothing makes me happier than going home decor shopping. But I am starving, so I'm going to make something to eat. I don't know what to make. What should I make? I'm gonna call Dennis to see where he's at. Maybe I'll make some spring rolls. Spring rolls sound yummy. The boys are gonna start going crazy because the gardener just got here. But with the house, it feels so much better because we cleared out. Like you guys can see, I don't have the rolling rack there anymore. There's really nothing on the table. There's just a few things that I need to take pictures of and then put away. And the bedroom got cleared out too. We're gonna be moving my treadmill into the studio once we get the studio all fixed up and organized. The treadmill's gonna go in there, and I'm gonna have like a little station with my mat so I could do Pilates at home or stretches or things like that when I'm home. So I'm excited about that, but that's gonna take a little bit, but at least we got a lot of things out. I'm also gonna clear out the laundry room so I can finally set up our ice machine. Our goddaughters gifted us an ice machine for Christmas, you guys. I still haven't set it up. I am the absolute worst when it comes to these things. So I'm gonna have it in the little room here that we have. It's kind of like a laundry, I mean, it is a laundry room, but I don't want it here, so it'll be fine. So that's what we're gonna do, and then figure out what to eat. I need to call Dennis to see where he's at. Okay, I'm starting to have a love and hate relationship with this vlogging camera because I do absolutely love the quality of it. I love how wide the screen is, or like the video, the way that it films, but it has this little thing where it likes to record in slow motion. So this was technically recorded in slow motion with no audio, so I'm going to give you guys a little voiceover of what's going on. We have decided to change the entire floors in our house, which is such a big project, but we are so excited about it because we've been wanting to do this for many, many years, and we know it's a big project and we know it's a big investment, but we obviously currently live here, so we want different floors. We stopped at the first store, which was Floor & Decor. I was telling Dennis that this marble resembles the hotel in Palm Springs that we love to stay at. But who knew that picking hardwood floor was going to be so unbelievably difficult as well as overwhelming? There's just so many different shades and tones, and it's just a lot, you guys. And although this is a very fun and exciting process, it is also very overwhelming, especially somebody for me that needs to literally visualize everything. So we came to see a few samples. I honestly didn't like anything here, but I did want to get an idea of the different tones and shades. And then it was time to get home, and I jumped on my treadmill. I have actually been doing 3 miles on my treadmill, which I'm so proud of myself. And then it was the next day. And then this is where I really got so upset because I vlogged so much this day. But here I'm telling you guys about my new sunglasses. Actually, they're not new. I've had these for years, but they're new to me because I rediscovered them. And I was telling you guys if they look funny, but after looking at myself now, I really like them. And this is Dennis telling me to try his coffee that was extremely sweet. And you guys know I don't like sweet things. So anyway, he ended up adding another shot of espresso, and then it was all good. And then here I think I'm explaining my outfit. These are some new Abercrombie jeans that I absolutely love. I have these linked on my LTK. This entire outfit is actually linked on my LTK. And then this bag is from Princess Polly, also linked. And now we are going to a next showroom. Do you guys see the variation in tones of wood? Like, who knew? Some tones are very pale. Some tones pull too much gray. Some are too pink. Some are too warm. Some are too red. And so I had them lay out a few in this showroom. We actually ended up not picking any of these, but I wanted to kind of see them laid out. We did take some samples home because you obviously want to see them in your space with like your furniture and the lighting of your house because things look very different. And so after we left that showroom, we were heading over to Century City because we're actually going on a trip and we needed to do some last minute shopping. Made it to Abercrombie. I saw this bag last time that I came, and it's such a good staple bag. Like, it's a good color, it's a good shape, and it seems like it fits quite a bit. They have it in this pretty cream. I'll see if I can find it online and I'll link it for you guys because it's like a bag that you can dress up and dress down, and the length of the shoulder is also really good. They're already bringing out all the fall stuff. These are so soft, and I love this blue. Okay, look at all this leopard. Interesting. This is a really cute top. Oh, and it opens. So cute. This would actually be pretty for a dinner. It's like classy. It's kind of cute, but I bet it's not my size. Oh, wow. What? This is an extra, extra, extra small? What? This is... What is the fit on this? Am I seeing this correct? Extra, extra small, petite. It doesn't look like an extra, extra small. I wonder if I should try it on. Okay, I think I found my travel outfit for our anniversary trip. This is such a cute little set. Obviously, you can wear it buttoned up, but I kind of like it like this. Just like a little open. They're so comfy. It's like, they almost look like PJs, but it would make a great travel outfit. I did have to roll them up because they are a little long on me, but you can't really tell. I say that my tummy is not well. We went to go eat at a sushi restaurant, and this was yesterday, and I don't think it
didn't settle well.
It did not sit well with my tummy. But anyway, so he went to go get me something for my tummy.
Oh my God.
And he came back with this.
I thought you were showing that I got what happened to deal.
No, please explain. He walks in, because yesterday I was craving Funyuns.
Well, one, they didn't have what we were looking for your tummy.
Yeah, they didn't.
And we heard something about activated charcoal.
Yeah.
That is supposed to be good. My brother-in-law, when I got sick, he had told me to take some of that. So I wanted to see if I could get something that could help her because I know she wasn't feeling good.
And yesterday, I was craving Funyuns.
Yeah.
And so he calls me. He goes, "Do you want anything from the store?" And he's like, "Do you want some Funyuns?" And I was like, "Yeah." He's like, "A big bag?" I was like, "Well, how big is the bag?" And I thought it was just like a regular size Funyuns bag. Please show the size of this Funyun bag.
Well, I was on my way to the counter to go pay, but then I noticed that this bag is $6.50.
But babe, that bag is even so big.
This is the only bag they had, $6.50. But then
$6 for
but
a bag
then
of
there was
chips?
a sign, and it said if I bought 4, I could get it for $2.45 or 49.
So what'd you do?
I was like, do I pay 7 for 1 or 10 for 4?
Oh my God.
So,
Oh my Lord. You got 10 bags? Oh wait. Okay, never mind. 4
I
bags.
think everyone's gonna have the same look. You know these are my favorite.
Yes.
I do like these. Hector likes these. You want these.
That's such a big bag of
And
Funyuns.
then you like these. But then, as I was walking, because you wanted something else.
I wanted for roll-ups.
You wanted some ice cream.
Oh, I
stuff.
wanted ice cream.
Yeah, so they didn't have that. They had this. Look at this, tajin. This is your type of jam.
Okay, so we will try that. Mango with tajin.
But I didn't get you your tummy stuff.
Oh.
Do you want me to go get you for roll-ups? I'll go.
No, it's okay.
Whoa. I was just looking how small it is.
Perfect.
It's not that big.
And this is my current situation. Hi, Odie. Is it? This is good. It's the Outshine Mango with tajin. It only has 10 grams of sugar.
And it's made out of real fruit.
Mm-hmm.
Juice or real
Made
fruit?
with real fruit.
Huh.
It's like mango puree.
Cody Bears, what do you think? What about you? You're drooling already?